Well, things are really pleasant out here. I got a ride into town with my drone guy, and he's dropping me where I can go sit around the shade, although today there's all these clouds out. And really I realized we're at the end of April now, and so I've only got 1 month before it more commonly is rainy, and before it's commonly rainy it gets commonly cloudy. And so I'm going to have more and more days where the lighting is perfect for photography and shit like that. It's one of the reasons I want to build sets of all kinds, green screens especially, because that's the ultimate set, right? It can become anything. But other sets as well, where people can come in and take pictures, film whole scenes maybe. I mean, I don't know what kind of sets I need. I don't think I need a spaceship, but why not? I probably need an airplane, an office, all those open sets with really good lighting, natural lighting. And then we used LED fill lighting off of solar power. That would be super cool. So I guess I have to wait a while for the drone images to get processed. That's going to be painful, but I'm still excited. I don't care. I can wait. I've waited a long time, and I guess I'll keep thinking about land use, and we'll see how it all shakes out. I paid the guy part of his fee. I didn't pay it all. I got to work on getting some more money, but